Ever wondered what happens to your teeth if you say goodbye to good oral hygiene, aka brush your teeth? Well, How to Be is going to give you a glimpse of what happens to your teeth if you do so, which we highly encourage you don't. Our goal here is to tell you exactly why you need to brush your teeth. Welcome back to How to Be, and before anything else, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be so you can access more of our videos similar to this. Let's begin. While we hope that you brush twice a day to keep your teeth and gums at their best, many individuals don't. Whether because they forgot, didn't have time, or simply haven't been in the practice of brushing twice a day. Not brushing can happen. But what happens if you don't brush your teeth? What happens if you don't brush your teeth for 3 days, a year, 10 years, or even 20 years? What happens if you don't brush your teeth for 3 days? For the first couple of days, it might not seem like that big of a deal that you have missed your daily routine with brushing. Or perhaps to some, it will feel incredibly weird. However, at 3 days post not brushing, you'll notice that your teeth are starting to feel incredibly filmy. There aren't any rough spots on the teeth. They have begun to be filled in by plaque and food debris. The filmy, sticky feeling is the plaque caused by the buildup of bacteria. Brushing not only removes the plaque but also prevents it from forming. After 3 days, bacteria have had an ample opportunity to overproduce, can cause significant plaque. What happens if you don't brush your teeth for a week? At a week, noticeable changes will take place. The production of plaque increases and an individual will undoubtedly feel the slipperiness. You will also see the buildup, if you look in the mirror, that is forming at the gum line and on the teeth. After a week of no brushing, a smell might also develop, which can be off-putting. Even at about a week, your dentist will notice the presence of gum disease called gingivitis. Now, what happens if you don't brush your teeth for a month? After a month, serious changes are taking shape. The most notable problem a person will have is the presence of gum disease. With a buildup of plaque at the gum line and below the gum line, an individual may notice some swelling and reddening. The effects of not brushing for a month can be reversed by visiting your dentist for a cleaning. He or she may recommend that a deep cleaning be necessary if the tartar buildup is extensive. Now, what happens if you don't brush your teeth for a year? At about a year, a person is doing severe damage to the health of their teeth and gums by not brushing every day. However, this may not always be the case. Some patients might not develop any cavities after a year of no brushing, but have horrible gum disease, while some patients may have the reverse. Those bad bacteria that hide under your gums have been connected to heart attacks due to the inflammation in the arterial walls. It depends on the person and their health, but most research suggests that if you don't brush your teeth for a year, you are putting yourself at considerable risk for cavities, advanced tooth decay, and periodontal disease. And last but not the least, what happens if you don't brush your teeth for 10 years? Not brushing your teeth for 10 years will put you at serious risk for health complications. Our oral health is crucial to fighting off certain types of bacteria and keeping us healthy. When the health of our teeth and gums suffer, things like pneumonia can be very common. Other notable problems that can occur from not brushing your teeth include coronary heart disease, dementia, diabetes, and complications during pregnancy. Research suggests that an individual can reduce their chances of pneumonia by 40% just with excellent oral health habits and care. So, if you're even planning on doing this experiment, don't. You're not only going to be the talk of the town as Mr. or Miss Bad Breath, but you're also going to put your health at serious risk. Think of it this way. There are about 6 billion bacteria, including 700 different species residing inside your mouth. Brushing every day removes these bacteria, So practice good oral hygiene now. To get a deeper understanding of what lives in your mouth, watch our episode, Bad Bacteria in Your Mouth Could Be Killing You. We hope this helps and would serve as a friendly reminder. Thank you so much for watching, and until our next How to Be video.